First of all, great. I want to acknowledge the people who have come up with the idea of this alliance. I think it's a fantastic program. It's all about Māori achieving to the greatest height they can. You've got to say that the potential for Māori men has never been greater than it is now, and our task is to realise that potential.
Won't you rise up? Won't you rise up? Baby, it's a revolution.
Māori men, at last, are living longer. But really, this is a sign of potential. The population expanding, life expectancy increasing, and the challenge now is how to take that further. Not enough to learn a waiata, not enough to do the haka. Important to live the culture, to live every day with tikara. We're very good at practicing tikara on marae. We often forget it when we leave the marae. But if we're going to achieve this notion of Māori order, we've got to live the culture in our day-to-day lives, and that's why this program's important.
Won't you rise up? Won't you rise up? Baby, it's a revolution.
The other reason that it's important is to be able to set some goals and plan ahead. We haven't always done that very well, but need to take a bit of time and think about what we want to do and where we want to go and how we're going to get there. Because we can get there, just need to map a plan and set a course to get there. The other thing we've got to do is to get a warrant of fitness for our bodies at regular intervals, so the body can do what we want it to do. It doesn't mean we've got to be in the All Blacks, or great if we can be in the All Blacks, and it doesn't mean that we have to be super fit, but we've got to have bodies that are fit for the purpose that we require them for. We need also to have relationships that are sustainable and secure. Not just to have a lot of likes on Facebook, not just to have fleeting relationships, but to have strong relationships that can be sustained, and Māori men have a role to take a leadership in that. Because I understand that's the program that's ahead of you, to be able to live the culture, to be able to set goals for the future, to have a warrant of fitness for the body, and to be able to have relationships that are meaningful and can be sustained. All the best for the future. Be following the progress good of this program. It's a trailblazer for the country, certainly a trailblazer for Māori men. We're not starting from scratch. We've had the example of Iron Māori, which has been doing all of these things as well on a national basis. So we're not starting from scratch, but what we are doing here is looking at a program that is balanced across 4 dimensions. Kia ora.